So two things to remember when we're using synthetic division, because it's a lot easier than polynomial long division written out all the way, so we want to use it all the time. The first thing to remember is that we can only use synthetic division if the divisor is in the form x minus a number. Right, so any other sort of divisor, we can't do it. In this division problem, notice that the divisor, the x has a coefficient, so we can't do synthetic division. So this term is a 2x, not just an x. We cannot use synthetic division. In this division problem, the leading term is an x squared, not just an x. So we can't use synthetic division. In this division problem, we can use synthetic division. This looks like it's x plus something, but we can rewrite that as x minus something. So as long as the first term is just an x, we can use synthetic division. The second thing to be aware of with synthetic division is that just like polynomial long division, we have to make sure that the terms of the dividend are in order and that we've filled in any holes. Now, it's not a big deal with the divisor. In synthetic division, our divisors are very simple, but we do need to be careful with our dividend. We see that in this example, our dividend is not in order. Our leading term is that negative 2x to the fourth. And when we go through and put our terms in order, we've got a negative 2x to the fourth. Now we want to find an x to the third term. Here it is, 9x to the third. Now we want an x squared term, but we haven't got one. We just need 0 x squared. And then an x term, we have a negative 21x. And we have a constant term, 16. Now, it was important that we put these terms in order and fill in the holes. In regular polynomial long division, we can try to divide without our terms in order. It's just not going to work. In synthetic division, if we try to divide with our terms out of order, it'll work just fine. We'll just get the wrong answer. And we don't want that. So here's our dividend, the digits in the dividend. We've got a negative 2, a 9, a 0, a negative 21, and a 16. The divisor is in the form x minus k. It has x minus 3. K is 3. That's the number we write in our bracket. Okay, so let's follow then the process of polynomial division. So we start by copying our number down here. Now we multiply this number by this number. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. And then we add down the column. 9 plus negative 6 is positive 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Add down the column. 0 plus 9 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. Negative 21 plus 27 is positive 6. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 plus 16 is 34. So now we can write down our answer. The degree is 1 less than the degree of our dividend. The degree of our dividend is 4. The degree of our answer will be 3. So we'll have a negative 2. Our first term has an x to the third. Plus 3x squared plus 9x plus 6. And then our remainder was 34. We have a 34 over x minus 3.